Well, now in this part we have a listening activity. Yes, you have here a listening activity. You are going to listen to Alexander, Tomo, and Lucy. So they visited the restaurants. So you are going to answer these questions after each person. Which restaurant did they visit? Who with? ¿Con quién? What was about it? What wasn't so good? What were the other guests like? So you answer first about Alexander, the 4 questions about Alexander, then again 4 questions about Tomo, and finally the same 4 questions about Lucy. The answers are different. They are not the same because they are different experiences. Okay, so we are going to start with the listening. I am going to divide this listening in 3 parts, so it's going to be easier for you.
1. Alexander.
We were on our honeymoon and we saw some brochures about this restaurant. It was my wife's birthday, so I thought, why not? It's expensive, but you don't find many restaurants like this. It was difficult to get a reservation because it only takes 12 people. When we arrived, we had drinks on the deck above, and someone gave us a talk about how they built the restaurant, and then we took off our shoes and descended, down the spiral stairs, and into the restaurant. Actually, the restaurant itself isn't very exciting. The decor, I mean. But it doesn't need to be because of the view. It takes your breath away. All around and above your head are hundreds, maybe thousands, of fish, all colors in a blue ocean. I was sitting across from my wife when a turtle appeared just behind her head. In fact, we were so busy looking at it all, we almost forgot that we were there to eat. The food was delicious. Fish, of course. But to be honest, we felt a little bad eating codfish, surrounded by codfish. There was just one problem. A guest at the next table. He spoke really loudly and complained about everything. We couldn't find anything to complain about. It was the perfect honeymoon restaurant.
2.
Well, number 2, we are going to listen on the next video. So don't forget, this part, number 1, you answer for Alexander. Just Alexander, 4 questions. Then Tomo, the same, 4 questions, okay? So now let's go to the video number 2.